Hi everyone. In this video we are going to see arrays in Java. So we are going to see arrays in Java. So initially we need to know what is an array, right? So normally you will be just storing a value like int a equal to 10. So this a will be assigned only with one value. So this a will have only one value. So whenever you want to declare similar data type for multiple value, okay, so you will be using the arrays. The similar, it is nothing like a collection of value if you want to use it of a similar data types. For that you will be using an array. So array is nothing but a collection of similar data type. Okay, so collection of similar data type. Okay, so here this which has is contiguous memory allocations. So what is meant by contiguous memory allocation? It is nothing but the memory will be allocated based on the fixed partition will be done. For example, if you want to do 10 data, then the memory will be divided into 10 parts so that you can store your 10 data. So that this is what a contiguous memory allocations. Okay, so an array is an object, okay, so which has an element of similar data type, and also it takes the array's elements are stored in a contiguous memory allocations. So here this array works based on the index. So index means first element of the array. For example, if you want to store 5 values, so the memory it will allocate for 5 like partition. Now if you are storing the value, you can see here the 5 values are stored of similar data type integer. So here you can see the first element indexes starts from 0. So there are totally 5 elements. So the index will be like what? Size minus 1. This is the index. Last value index. So first value index will be 0 and the last value index will be the total size minus 1. So this is how the array will work. So like index base, first element if you want to retrieve. Got it? And next here, for example, in this array, just I am giving here the value like this 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So here you can see the array length. So the length of the array is 5. Okay, so the index it starts from 0. So this is like 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the first index. And this one is the last index. So if you are going to store the element of fifth one, then it will show you the exception like array out of bound. So this exception will be shown if you are trying to access this. So this is used for random access and also for code optimization. It is like you can retrieve the data in effective way, and next advantage is like random access. And the disadvantage of array means we can store only fixed size of element. It will not grow its size at runtime. Whatever you have given 5 means it can store only 5. Okay, so it is a fixed size of element only it will be stored. So in array we have two types of array. One is like single dimension array and next one is like multi-dimension array. So when it is coming for single dimension array means here the array which will have only one rows. Okay, that is called as a single dimension array. So whatever we have seen now, it is a single dimension array. So how you will be declaring a single dimension array? So if the array has rows and multiple columns, in this is called as a multi-dimension array. If the array has single row means, then it is a single dimension array. So here I am just going to give you an example for single dimension. So first thing, you should know how to declare the array, and second thing, how to assign the value, and next thing is how to access the data. So these are the three things you want to know. First thing, like declaration. The array, it can be declared in different way. For one type is data type of array. So this is one type. Another type is data type of array. And next one is data type. So these three declaration is also correct. This is the syntax for declaring the array. Now how to initiate the array? So if you want to declare, this is called declare. So initiating the array is like you are going to give the size. So here what you have to give, like this data type. This is called as a reference variable. So array equal to new data type of size, or you can give this in a single line like this, like data type array equal to new data type of size. So this way also, this declaration initiation or you are going to give it in a same, like in a one single line. This is how you will be declaring and initiating the array. Next, you are initializing the array. So assigning a value, or we can tell it as initializing. So here I am just, you can see, if I am giving like int array equal to new int of 5 means you can store only 5 value. So like a of 0 equal to, you can give like 15, a of 1 equal to 25, a of 3 equal 2 equal to 35, a of 3 equal to 75, a of 4 equal to 50. Like this you can give. So you can see my size I have given only 5. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values are there. The index I am just giving. So this is how you have to initialize the array. Okay, and if you want to access the array, you have to give it using array name or index value. So if you are giving index value, for example, if you are giving array of 0, in array of 0, what is there, that will come. So it is 15, so 15 will be printed. So this is how you have to access the array. So we can see an example for how to access the array. So instead of giving it one by one, even you can give it like this. Array equal to 15, 25, 35, 75, 50. Like this also you can give. Okay, so we can see with an example. So now you can see here I am just going to declare an array. So I am just giving int a of equal to like new int of 5. Now I am just giving a of 0 equal to 15. 2, 1 equal to 25. A of 2 equal to 35. A of 3 equal to 55. A of 4 equal to 75. So now you got the value. So if I am going to print the array means, normally if you want to access the array means, you have to access it like this. A of I'm just giving 4. 4 means it should print 75. So this is called declaration and initiation. Okay, and this one is called initialization. So this is initialization. So this is like retrieving. Okay, so now I am executing it. You can see 75 is accessed. So if I am trying to add A of 5, okay, so equal to 100. So what it should give? It should give me a error because only size is 5. I am just going to give 6th element. So it is giving array index out of bound exception, index 5 out of bound for length 5. Either you have to change this to 6 or you have to just remove this. So if I am just changing this to 6, now it is going to work without any error. Okay, so this is how you have to declare and initialize a value and retrieve it. This is one way of doing it, and the other way of doing it is like this. You can give int a of equal to like 15, like this you can give. So this is in one line you are just declaring. So here you can see how much value, 1 2 3 4. So 4 values. If it is a longer value you cannot count. So for that, if you want to know the length of the array, what is the actual length of the array, just we are having a method called length, so which is used to get the length of the array. So if I am giving a dot length, it will print what is the length of the array. So now it is going to print you like the length of the array is 4. I have missed the semicolon, that's why it's getting error. So you can see it is 4 because I have stored it. So this way also you can assign a value, or in one line all at a time if you want to assign, you can use this way also. So this is why we are calling this as a single dimension array which has one row, and you can access the value one by one. So here how you want to access all the value at once. So here index starts from 0. So I am just giving the starting loop is 0 and less than size. So I dot like length, a dot length I plus plus. So if I am giving like this, you can see here its index a of 0 means first index. So till less than a dot length I am just giving. So I am not going for equal to till less than. Now if I am trying to print a of I. So I is keep on incrementing. So first time it will be 0. So the first element will be got. And second time it will be 185. Third time it is 96. And it will be like third time 396, like that. So we have seen for loop working, right? Similar way, wherever the I value changes, according to that the array value will be printed. So now you can see you will be getting a value 15, 85, 96, 945. So this is how you have to just get the value of a array one by one. Thank you.